Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to create your DWG to PDF. Let's save this one into PDF. Open your AutoCAD file, then go to your AutoCAD here, go to print, then go to plot. After that, in the plotter, let's make the name DWG to PDF. The paper size, let's choose. Here we have from B5 to A0. Let's make it A3. Then let's go what to plot. Go to display. Let's make it window. Let's select this drawing. Then let's make it center the plot. Before we make it, go to preview and it will look like this. If we make it the center the plot, go to preview and here it is. Here, let's make it fit to paper, then press OK. Name it whatever you want, then press on save. And here it is, saved as PDF.